suffer from period pains? Is the hot water bottle your best friend during this time? Is opening your bowels very painful during your periods? Are the heavy and painful periods affecting the quality of life and compromising your working hours? Well, then you need to get yourself checked for this condition called endometriosis. Endometriosis is a gynae condition where the lining of the uterus, what we call the endometrium, grows in ectopic sites outside the uterus, which may be at the back of the uterus, inside the ovaries, and in distant places like the belly button, the cesarean section scar, and as far as the nostrils. What endometriosis does is that it gives you painful periods, and when you are bleeding to the outside, you are also bleeding inside the ovary and forming chocolate cysts. You are bleeding at the back of the uterus, onto the bowel, and creating scar tissue formation, what we call adhesions. All of this can result in chronic pelvic pain. The way to treat endometriosis is first to diagnose the condition with the help of a proper history, ultrasound scan, MRI, and finally laparoscopy, minimal access, assessment of the condition. Now, not all patients of endometriosis need surgical therapy, but then there are those that have been through medical therapy and it hasn't worked, those that are desirous of fertility and there is a need for anatomical restoration in the pelvis so that fertilization can happen naturally inside the body, and those that have completed their childbearing and are in debilitating amount of pain and they need to be treated for this with the help of a hysterectomy. Fortis Bannerghatta Road is now recognized as the Center of Excellence for Minimal Access, Gynae and Robotic Surgery. Today, we have under one roof not just minimal access surgery with the help of laparoscopy, but we also offer robotic surgery for conditions like endometriosis. So, should you have any of the symptoms that I mentioned earlier, please do not hesitate to contact us at Fortis Bannerghatta Road, Center of Excellence for Minimal Access Gynae Surgery. Wishing you all the very best. Take care.